Hello, I'm John Leach of Butcher Robinson and Staples International. We're Lloyd's brokers. I'm the development director there. Our portfolio is made up of reinsurance in South America, in the Far East, in Africa, and in Europe. We specialise in banking business, in marine cargo, travel business, and special accident business. We use Rpost for a number of reasons. For security of our emails, we receive and have to send placing information which is private. Sometimes it's very sensitive indeed, because a lot of the business we deal with is the insurance and reinsurance of banks. You can imagine we don't want the details of the banks to be found in a waste paper bin somewhere, or indeed picked up off of the internet. Or by a mail going to the wrong place. Hence, the security of the delivery of our emails is very, very important indeed. As far as the authenticity of our email messages, like most offices, we send and receive spam. I wish we could stop it. We have substantial measures to try and do that, but it still happens. Therefore, some of the things that leave this building possibly could be questioned. Using the Rpost verification, we can give proof that a message was or wasn't sent by us, and legal proof if we need it. With the Rpost digital seal, we can make sure that an attachment is authentic, has come from us, and indeed, because it's timed and date stamped, that it was sent by us for a certain reason at a certain time, which may be sensitive information, which is time sensitive. Very important to us indeed, and it has made a lot of difference in our clients receiving important documents by email. Proof of delivery of email messages is something that is so important as far as our industry is concerned. Just about every insurance dispute that I've ever been involved with, and you're in the business for a while, you are in disputes, is mostly who knew what when, and certified proof of delivery down to a timed moment can reduce this as an argument. That, of course, makes a real difference to the exposure we're putting in the market to our professional indemnity insurers, and we can talk with them regarding perhaps reducing our premiums or excess points or whatever other terms of our PI insurance, because we have an ability to prove what we're sending is on time, we've got proof of delivery, and we know it's authentic. Those are very important aspects of why we use Rpost. Another reason that we found is sending out our statements of account. Someone, you ask them, we sent you a statement, you haven't paid us, they say, oh, we didn't receive it. Well, we can tell they've received it, where it's just a little negotiating point that after a while they know you know that they've received it, and that does make a difference in collections. How I saw a return on the investment, because we're dealing with countries where you can't trust the post system. We sent lots of stuff by courier, certainly to South Africa and to the South Americas. None of it goes by courier now. Our budget back on not using couriers has been very successful indeed. Other benefits that we've seen, we've actually seen people gaining more confidence in what we're sending them. That was a hidden benefit. And also, in a way, we've seen that people are probably treating our emails a little differently now, because they know that we know they've got them, and there isn't this, I won't bother to click the reply button. I'm not, if someone's asking for a read receipt, well, most people switch it off, don't they? And thus, that is most helpful, that we know when someone has received an email.